Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix connection errors on Steam Deck. So first, check your Wi-Fi connection and make sure other devices can connect normally. Then on your Steam Deck, open the quick access menu and check your wireless connection. Now turn off Wi-Fi and then turn it back on again, then reconnect to your network. If that doesn't work, then restart your Steam Deck by connecting it again. You can also restart your router if other devices are experiencing connection problem. And make sure your Steam Deck is updated to the latest version available on your system software. And if you're connecting to Steam, then check whether Steam services are experiencing an outage. You can also try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network to determine whether the issue is specific to your current connection. So that was how to fix common Steam Deck connection errors. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.